Last time on Hogwarts Legacy. I won't go there. We'll just go here. Go to Hogsmeade. Track. Oh. Well, is this the actual main mission? Can't enter the town on a broom. We've even got a broom bubble just so you can't enter the town. Fine. Fine. So this is for the goblin I'm supposed to confront about the other goblin. Okay. That works, I guess. Level 3 lock. But we're going here. We want brooms. Sir?
Welcome back. I've arranged a special price on the broom upgrade for you. I truly appreciate all of your help. You'll be thrilled with that broom, I promise you.
Thanks, Dad.
I must tell you, half of Hogsmeade's been by the shop asking about rumours of a broom upgrade. Without the information you provided, my work would have taken twice as long. Thank you again. It may sound ambitious, but I've already begun work on another upgrade, more difficult to perfect than the last. I wondered, would you be interested in joining forces again? There's another course near Arendelle that Miss Reyes has mastered. If you were to test this first upgrade there, it may help me as I develop the next. Oh, you'll consider it, won't you?
Sure, baby.
What more can you tell me about the next course?
It's just a jaunt from here, south of Hogsmeade. Beautiful mountain views. The course was designed to test flyer stamina. Some of your classmates mentioned they were headed there, eager to see what Imelda has in store. A bit surprising, considering many of them expressed reticence at the idea of racing against her at all. I hope that won't deter you, and you'll give the course a go. At least think on it.
Sounds as if you're really outdoing yourself. If I'm able to help, I will.
Thank you. I know this recent success was only the beginning of what I can do for broom flight. Report back as soon as you can, and we'll be off to the races.
Sure, dude.
Off to the races, then.
Am I just some sort of jockey for you, sir? Huh?
Revelio.
What the hell? What the frick? What? How do I get up there? Oh. Fair enough. Hey.
Aloha Mora.
Bam. I don't know why that took me so long to learn.
Mine now, demi guys.
Hey. A moon. Okay, let's talk to this lady.
Hello there. Nice to see you.
Hello, Miss Ryan. I wanted to thank you again for your help with Rookwood and Harlow the day of the troll attack.
Sirona, please. And I was happy to help. Oh, those two are nothing but trouble. Glad you and your friend were here when they found you.
I am too. You were speaking to a goblin here that day.
Yes, Lodgok. He's a friend.
It seems as though you were on good terms with him.
I've known him for years. We met when I was waiting tables here as a student, well before I bought the place. He was cordial enough, but we weren't friends then. His mistrust of wizard kind ran deep.
But you're friends now.
We are. Hadn't seen him in years when he came in a few months ago. But he recognized me instantly, which is more than I can say for some of my own classmates. Took them a second to realize I was actually a witch, not a wizard. Not all goblins are like Ranrock and his loyalists. Lodgok is as worried as the rest of us about what's been going on.
In that case, I'd like to talk with him, about Ranrock in particular. Where might I find him?
I assume your interest is to do with the rumors I've heard about Ranrock working with our friend Rookwood.
It is.
If he's not here, you might find him doing business at the Hog's Head. He's a trusted metal trader. You should mention that we spoke. He can, understandably, be wary of witches and wizards, even ones as young as you. That said, if you're looking for information on Ranrock to help rein him in, you'll find an ally in Lodgok.
You seemed unfazed by Rookwood and Harlow the other day. They don't scare you.
They're bullies. Plain and simple. Never tolerated them in my own life, and certainly won't tolerate them going after my friends. Don't misunderstand me. They're dangerous wizards and shouldn't be trifled with. They should, however, be confronted and reminded, whenever possible, that the rest of us have each other's backs.
Have you heard what Ranrock and Rookwood are working on together?
Not much more than the fact that they seem to have some sort of uneasy alliance. Friendship between wizards and goblins is rare enough, but between those two, they each want something the other has. I can guarantee it. That said, I fear they're like a two-headed serpent. Both will need to be taken down to stop whatever scheme they've been plotting.
Thank you, Serona.
If you find Lodgok, please give him my best. I don't know what you've done to make such powerful enemies, but please, watch your back.
Sure. Let's get out of here. Okay. I just have to go to the edge of town. Is he moving? Oh, okay. Is there still pages here? Because I remember catching pages and then them coming back. It's just so weird. You want to catch this thing? You want to catch it again? No. I've caught it once already. Why would I want to catch it again? You crazy? Do you think this is fun? Hey, you know, if I just keep unlocking shit with level 1 and getting these moons, I think I'll find them pretty quick. Go. Every lock. Okay, not that lock. There's another one that way. Gotta make sure that I'm unmuted, because I have a big problem with muting and then forgetting to unmute.
Revelio.
2. Okay. Anybody else? There? No. There we go. That'll work. Will that work? Will those work? That's a lot of locks. How did I miss all these locks? Locked. Of course it is.
Alohomora.
It didn't even say what level lock that was. Unless it's just like an always locked lock. You just can't. A story lock, I guess, would be the right term for it. So the best place to break into people's houses is at night. Too real. Too real Hogwarts Legacy. Too real. Story lock. The strongest lock of all. Okay. Double story locked. That candy shop looks awesome. I don't know if I'd get anything there, but it looks awesome. Level 2 lost. There's a lock on the backside too. Cool. We'll hit it all. Bam. These candies?
Revelio.
Just straight up steal from a bag. Okay. Let's go up.
Never knew butterflies were attracted to treasure. I must have missed that one in Beasts.
Sir? Can I have one of these? Thanks. I go to a sweet shop and then I don't pay for anything. That's a huge ass piece of cake.
Revelio.
Level 2. Okay. What are you doing in the back of my shop? How'd you get back there? No, I wasn't. Fair enough.
Aloha Mora.
Magic.
Revelio.
I would not like the paintings. I would not have any pieces of art in my house if I was in this universe. You need more moons for that? Door. Hold up. Treasure. We need some treasure. Give me the treasure.
Potato. Lumos.
On a hill, the lantern, and a house. Okay. Technically, this is a house on a hill. Is it near a lantern, though?
Revelio.
Nope. House on a hill with a lantern. Hey, that looks like a house on a hill with a lantern. But that's a really far... Usually these are pretty close. That's technically a lantern with a bug on it near a house on a hill. Yeah, you know, I guess it works. Oh, I was gonna say, did it not work? Give me that page. Sweet. Okay, let's make our way to the bar. Is that what this is? There's this lock down here I want to check out. Oh, my apologies. Hey. Hey, what's up, a house elf? Who's taking this cake? Can I eat these? Oh, it's him disappearing. Locked.
Revelio.
Attracted to treasure. I must have missed that one in beasts.
I must have to get on the other side. Oh well. That's fair enough. Take that. Thank you. I'm just keeping it safe. It looked cold. I needed to keep it warm. Justifying thievery.
Revelio.
Cool. Oh. Fine. So I couldn't get into this house. What the hell? Fire?
Incendio.
Let's burn the house down.
Confringo.
Okay. Perhaps there is a spell that I learn later. Later. Hey, that might work.
Expelliarmus.
Okay. That'll allow me to take boards off of a door. Probably not. That sounds like I'm setting myself up for failure. Oh.
Revelio.
Nope. I don't want to explore everything on the map. Tries to open every door in the game that's locked. You know. This is my first playthrough this game, so I want to try and do everything. Though I know it's very boring. I realize that.
Mine now, guys.
What do you mean, yours now?
Revelio.
Was he talking? Never mind. He's talking to the demiguise? Durr.
You too, I'll meet.
That's none of as impressive if he's playing multiple instruments by magic. If he was making music using multiple instruments by himself? Maybe. Maybe. Do I need lockpicking for this? No way. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Welcome to the Og's Head. Any empty seat is yours. Can I help you with something?
Hello, Lord Gok. Sorona said I might find you here.
She did she? Did she send you with news?
No, actually, I wanted to speak with you. It's about Ranrock.
Now I remember. The 3 broomsticks. Day of the troll attack. You're the student he's after.
I am, and I need to know what he and his loyalists are up to so I can stay a step ahead.
Let's say I did know. Why should I trust you?
Sorona said our interests may be aligned. Perhaps she was wrong.
Well, if Sorona believes we have common goals, then it is possible that we can trust each other. Very well. I may know of something that could help us both. A way to get Ranrock to confide his plans to me.
I'm listening.
Years ago, a heinous witch stole a sacred goblin relic. Rumor has it that it now rests in her sarcophagus, in a tomb accessible only by wizard kind. Ranrock and I had a falling out a while back. The relic could well repair the chasm between us.
Very well. I'll retrieve the relic if you promise to share Ranrock's plans with me.
We will have to trust each other. I, that you will not abscond with the relic, and you, that I'll share what I learn. Gather whatever supplies you may need, and meet me near the witch's tomb.
Sure, I can do that.
Revelio.
What are we doing now? I think I already checked those locks. The tomb. We're going to go. Where's that wizard trial? The flying trial. Flight. This map scrolling is weird. Oh, that's really far south. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna have to go there. I'm guessing anyway, so it doesn't matter. But we're gonna go to this place. It's here. Might as well. And it's main story. Perfect. Just let me... Near the witch's tomb. Am I gonna have a goblin pal?
I'm ready.
Good. There's no time to lose.
What precisely is the relic I'm to retrieve?
A valuable heirloom known as the Helmet of Urtgott. The witch considered herself a collector and purchased the helmet as a trinket. She cared not what pain she caused the goblins. Goblins believe that the rightful owner of any object is its maker, not its purchaser.
Wizard kind see things differently. It's a wonder goblins and wizards have ever been able to work together.
The differences between our kinds are myriad.
They seem to be.
It may surprise you to know that I do not believe those differences always to be insurmountable. It is the reason I find myself traveling with you to this tomb today.
Revelio.
Wolves. Hey, there's a Merlin thing there. And some loot right here. Perfect. Are we gonna continue down this road, or can I do this real quick? Where are you going? Okay. Slashing. Let's try a couple of these. Okay, we're gonna go fire, ice. I don't think I have lightning. Light. Pole.
Incendio.
Lumos.
That didn't work. Explosion? No, I don't need double explosion. What am I supposed to do? Slice a frozen enemy. Like this? Slice a frozen. Come here, come here. Oh shit. Come here. You gotta fight, we'll fight!
Lumos.
Oh, this is gonna be dumb. Okay. We'll figure it out eventually, right? Every time. Need the moonstone. Stop.
Lumos.
We're sidetracked right now. Just let me be sidetracked. There. Where are these little blue flies? Where? Huh? No, not down there. Ooh. There we go. They're kind of difficult to... I mean, they're small as shit, so yeah, they're difficult to see. There, let's go. Main menu time. Or main mission. Yeah, we did it. Let's get out of here. Ready? Sure, dude. You're already at your destination. Right. Let's go, is this gonna be a combat heavy thing? Let's go stop, freeze, and slashing. That seems pretty good. Actually, pull, freeze, pull. I like the time magic. But we'll do freezing for this video. No. Okay. That seems like a pretty good combination of attacks. Can't wizard broom here. Got it. Fair enough. I understand. So are we just gonna walk in silence? Okay. I guess that works.
Ah, and there it is. The witch's tomb.
Dreadful looking place, isn't it?
Looks like we're gonna have to solve a puzzle. Aren't we? Maybe not. This kind of looks decorative. Sure.
I wish you luck retrieving the helmet. As a wand carrier, you should have an advantage. Now, before you set off, do you have any questions?
What about this helmet makes it so special?
The helmet of Urtkot is an ancient and storied relic, forged during a time of unity among the goblin clans. It inspired greatness, that is, until it was no longer ours. Then it became something else. A symbol of what has been lost, of all that wizard kind has taken from us. Reclaiming it would mean a great deal to goblin kind, and to Ranrock. He would be grateful to me should I return it.
It seems Ranrock and Rookwood are conspiring. Why would that be?
I had heard this. When the dark-hearted conspire, they seldom make their full intentions clear to one another. I can only speculate, but I imagine their alliance is uneasy and quite fragile. Let us hope that ours is less so.
Don't suppose you have any idea what could be waiting for me inside the tomb?
Considering a Dark Witch was involved, I suppose there's a chance you may encounter the Dark Protectors, known as Inferi. The foul creatures thrive on darkness and the cold. Vanquish them with light, force, and most effectively fire.
It all seems clear to me now that we're here.
I do hope our alliance proves fruitful. Again, I wish you luck. I will remain here, eagerly awaiting your return. Please, be careful.
Well, that kind of ruins my entire freeze everybody and slash it plan, huh? So we're gonna go up close and far away. Actually, we're gonna do this. There we go. And light. Would that truly help? Truly? Because you can't light in combat. I mean, I can fire. Okay, first off, I need my treasure. My daily dose of treasure. Hey.
It's sealed.
I need moths. So, I will need this stupid light. Damn it.
Lumos. Moths. Curious.
Curiouser and curiouser.
Revenge.
Merlin's beard.
Thank you. Sorry about the pot. My gear is full. Interesting. Maybe I should have sold before I left. Gear. I did have some worthless glasses, yeah. 6. Okay. There we go. We'll just start destroying the least best, the least best gear, the worst gear.
This can't be the witch's tomb. Likely I need to go further.
This looks more like a mermaid cave.
Lumos.
Revelio.
Wow, I basically made the perfect setup, huh? Spiky mushrooms.
Lumos.
This moth.
Revelio.
I have a feeling I'm not alone here.
I got a feeling. Draugrs. My good. Come here. Bye.
They're certainly persistent.
I forgot. X isn't dodge. Why does she have a Draugr? They're not Draugrs. That's from Skyrim.
Revelio.
I just know they're weak against fire. I should change my stop to long range fire. Hold on. Now that I know what I'm truly dealing with. I kind of figured it was going to be undead. Can I blast this open? Perfect. Gear slots are full. Did that waste them? Inventory. 46. We can do that. Okay. Fine. Guess I destroyed those too. Oh well. Kind of imagine not that valuable, but let me try. I have a new wand handle. Interesting. Wood on wood. You know, I actually don't mind this because it looks like it twists the same way. And that's what I was going with this one. But this one twists the opposite way. What's up, champ? How you doing? I always sneak into your streams and just sit there. Keep you tabbed up. I like this wood one. It'll be worth it. It would be worth it. Not worth it, but it'll work. Hat. Purple hat. 53, 45. I can kill that. Just riding. Nice. $44. Get rid of these gloves. These worthless gloves. 53. 51, 54. Okay. 58, 44. Ooh, we can definitely get rid of that. 43. 43. Got it.
Revelio.
Okay.
Lumos.
Hi. We're here to abduct you. How am I going to get up there? Oh. I'm guessing there's a charge for that.
Lumos.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Get in there.
If I could power it somehow, it looks like it could be rotated.
Lumos.
Yeah. Oh, do I have to put one on either side? No? Can it be rotated? Rotate it!
Incendio.
And it's not a manual rotation, huh? Okay, that's not what I want. There's one on either side. Pull? No, that's push. Force push. Why didn't pull work this? Don't question it, I guess. Oops.
Lumos.
Hi. Come with me.
Lumos.
Go. Push. I don't really like push. I really did. prefer just getting up close and personal.
Revelio.
Any more treasure for me? I really do love it. What up here? Hey! That'll work.
Incendio.
Yummy. Okay. Turn them into a new... Oh, what? Is this guy rebuilding himself? Alrighty then. They'll get better. Yeah. Open up. What is up with all these skeletons? Am I making a bone bridge? Oh, that would be sick.
Need to get that platform closer.
How?
How?
That was a good guess. I'm making a bone bridge. Build for me. I find whenever I make a bone bridge, it's not very stable. It's hard to do, yes. I think the best game that has building with skeletons is the forest. Can we... There we go. Perfect. Was that it? Can I reinforce it with more bones, though? I'm sure I need this guy for something. Oh, yeah. Rope I don't need. Perfect. I think they'll have medication for that. Reinforcing my bone bridge?
Revelio.
For that?
The cannons.
Okay, got one more.
Down I go.
Oh.
No other way.
That did work. Where's me? What's up, Feral? Oh, I didn't even... No, you were... I thought it was Champ saying turn him into a nude. My bad. I was like, why is he texting while he's driving?
Revelio.
Yeah, making an unstable bone bridge. It is a very innuendo term, right? And now they just give me crates. Get ready for bed. Blah. I would love a 15-hour day, but And again at 2 a.m. for another 12. Are they working you? Oh yeah, but that takes away from your Friday, right? Yeah. Very innuendo. Reinforce your bone bridge. Jump. Look before you leap. Well, I hope your day was at least decently relaxing then. Yeah, but I might have to get a couple hours overtime this week. We will see, but I won't have a Friday either way. Oh. Doing something else. Wait, why? Was that a pointless drop? Or did I go that way? Probably went that way. Whoa.
Revelio.
Can't miss that. Always need the loots. Oh God. Get over here! Why do I always think X is, dodge? It's not. Just jump. Stop.
Incendio.
Thank you. Can you guys just be incinerated, please?
Incendio.
We didn't start the fire. Why would I think a mandrake would work on undead? Hey, they're already dead. They can't hear you. Oh God.
Incendio.
Ow.
Incendio.
I don't know what would smell worse, them being undead or them being very undead. Ow.
Incendio.
Ow. Stop. Bad. Bad zombie. You'd think something called an Infurious would, do fire.
Incendio.
Not be weak against it. No, I didn't name the thing though. I'll just call them Draugrs from Skyrim.
Lumos.
I'm one to you. You're gonna go into this butterfly statue. Bam. They still have meat on them. Say they probably smell horrid. If it's just bones, probably just smells like dust. They looked kind of dehydrated. In my opinion.
Revelio.
Kind of like they had skin, just no blood. Like spoiled meat versus old man farts. Yeah. That's a comforting... I can't even say a visual. That's definitely not a visual. That's a smell. Shut up. It's not complex. Oh, maybe it is complex. Oh, maybe you were right, kid.
Lumos. Incendio.
Shit.
Lumos.
Come here. Go here.
Lumos.
This is gonna be ass. Can I... Because I don't think I can have both spells going at once. Yeah. Oh. Of course. There's a back way. Maybe not.
Revelio.
Treasure. Okay. The way this should go. I think I have an idea. One for good luck.
Lumos.
Here. What? That doesn't even work? What is this? Cheshire. How far range does this work?
Lumos.
Bone Bridget.
Lumos. Incendiary. Making this big or to raise that platform. That must be it.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe. Oh. You know, maybe that'll work. Bring it closer.
Lumos.
I want you right about here. Let's go. So if I raise this, now that it's closer, hopefully, my light will reach it.
Lumos.
No. It raises that as well.
Lumos.
Come here. But
Lumos.
I was gonna say, how do I get the one out of the spinny thing? Oh, I don't need to. Bam!
Witch's final resting place. Lodgok said the helmet was in her sarcophagus.
I don't trust that thing to be dead. Oh, of course! We need to make another bone bridge!
The dead Ashwinder. Your compatriots must have made off with the helmet. Lodgok won't like this.
Balls!
Better show this to Lodgok. I know there's a mechanism to open this door.
Okay. Fair enough, I guess.
Lodgok, the sarcophagus had been raided. I found no helmet, only a dead Ashwinder.
Damn! They got here first. We need to get it before Rookwood uses it to further ingratiate himself to Ranrock. I saw one of their campsites not far from here, but I fear you must go in alone. My fighting days are behind me.
I'll head there now.
Good. There's no time to lose. Get to that helmet before Rookwood does, or we will lose our chance at any leverage, no matter how small, with Ranrock. To think
Got
those
it.
wretched thieves had their hands on such a relic.
What was that boost attack? I know I unlocked it. I just don't know how I activated it. Maybe it's a good time to relearn it, eh? Talents. Hey, that sounds about right. Core. Okay. Stupefy. Evasion absorption. Protect, which I don't use. I did Revelio everything before I did that. Blast a shield. Okay. Basic. Protecto. Holding dodge allows you to vanish quickly and reappear. Ooh, okay.